Hello everyone. Over the past few months, I have been studying about various alternate therapies like aromatherapy, reflexology, etc. in order to alleviate the stress. But to my surprise, I have found that writing therapy that I have been practicing over a few years, like 3 years to be precise, proved to be far more effective than all these alternate therapy that I was talking about. I am going to explain how writing therapy is so effective in alleviating the stress in a series of videos and how practical and easily implemented it can be for everyone. Writing effectively calls for a perfect hand-eye coordination, which is a psychomotor skill. The body and the mind have to act in tandem with each other to jot that perfect line on the paper. Now, when you are writing, focus is inevitable because writing calls for an incredible alignment of the thoughts in the mind, ranking them in a sequence, picking out the best thought to be put down on paper. Wait, it is not over yet. The thoughts that usually occur on the back of the mind are not in a perfectly understandable or linguistic format. We have to shed some efforts in order to articulate them well in a perfectly understandable form. Now, that is a skill which we need to work on. See how much goes into writing without us not even aware of it. Albert Einstein famously said, "The caliber of a teacher can be measured in his ability to teach a kid," which calls for conceptual clarity, firm grip over the subject, and sound understanding of the basics of the subject. Now, if we are also to be understood that well, then we should have an amazing clarity of thought within ourselves first. The audience come much later. Certain exercises work in the reverse. For example, yoga, where various body asanas are used to attain the balance of the mind and regulate the emotions. Likewise, writing also warrants the mind to think clearly, and upon gradual practice, that translates into clarity of expression. Now, it is everyone's knowledge that one who wields the weapon of a dual-edged sword of clarity of thought and the clarity of expression are the most sought after individuals in every walk or sphere of life, be it personal or professional. They not only add value to themselves but also to the world around, making it a clear win-win situation. That is the magic of writing. Now, I cannot extend a warmer invitation for you to write. Welcome to the world of writing.